friends, I am Rima from Boutique Creation. Today I want to show you some colorful Katha stitch and Gujarati stitches sari on pure silk and some types of pure silk sari, Tasar silk saris. Let's start. Today number 1 sari. This is the number 1 sari, pure Bangalore silk. This is the pure Katha stitch sari. Katha and Gujarati stitches are the oldest form of embroidery. Here we use the motifs of bird motifs with floral booties. The color is very beautiful blue color. And this is pure silk. Fabric is pure silk. This is the full body part. This is pallu and this is the full body part. I will show you all over the sari. For you the full body part. This is the full sari and this is the pallu part with beautiful color blue and multicolor booty in bird motifs and floral booties. We have done intricate Katha stitch here. Just like that, and this is the patli portion. This is the patli portion. One, now I am showing. This is the pallu part and this is the base part. All over the saree, just like that. Very beautiful color combination. And this is the blouse piece. Number 1, 7650 silk fabric, and number 2, another pure silk, Bangalore silk. This is pure Bangalore silk, batik katha. It is called batik katha. Pallu portion, multicolor katha stitch we have done here, and upper yoke, lower yoke, upper border and lower border. Lower border is highlighted by katha stitch and upper border comparatively thin border we use here. And in this middle portion, you can see the diamond shaped butta. It's a very big butta we have done here. It's very lucrative, and the body color is mustard yellow with crack batik. And this is the full saree. This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion. So beautiful and so elegant. And this is from the upper yoke. And the middle part of the sari. This is the middle part till the end. And this is the blouse piece. Crack batik with katha border. Number 2, 7500, you will get silk mark also. Number 3, it is a very bright here showing. Number 3, sari number 3, this is another pure silk, pure Bangalore silk, and katha stitch sari is very beautiful and very colorful. Multicolor thread are used here. This is the pallu portion, geometrical with floral booties, and this is the upper yoke. Number 3, this is the pallu part, very colorful katha stitch sari, and this is the body part. And the half portion is in dark fuchsia pink with crack batik. Half portion is till the end crack batik with katha stitch. Lower part we highlighted with the katha stitch, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Pure fabric, pure silk fabric, you will get silk mark 7650. Number 3, 4, another katha stitch sari, and the fabric is pure silk tasar. You will get silk mark also. and you can see the fish motifs, colorful fish motifs. And in upper yoke, lower yoke, the zari border, the border pattern is geometrical. Here is the full sari. This is the pallu portion and this is the body part. Lower part is highlighted with big fish motifs and small fish motifs are spread all over the sari. Very sophisticated sari. Pure tasar. And this is the blouse piece. And the fabric is very comfortable in all season. The pure silk tasar. 7900, priced 7900. Number 5. This is pure katha stitch sari and bird motifs and floral booties. Heavy work, heavy katha stitch, heavy intricate katha stitch we have done here, and the multicolored thread we used. This is very pretty. This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion in black color. And after dyeing this sari, we will this is the pallu part in multicolored bird motifs in 2 color combination, black with moss green. And the color is very ideal for summer, this green color. This is the inner part. Bottom part is highlighted by katha stitch. And the black is the blouse piece with katha stitch border. 7650, fabric is pure silk, pure Bangalore silk, and you will get silk mark also, pure Bangalore silk. 7650. Another katha stitch sari. Color is copin blue. And the design pattern is something different from the other sari. This is the full flower motif pattern. Middle part is the plain portion, it is the middle part of the sari, and upper yoke, lower yoke highlighted with the katha stitch. Color is very pretty. Number 6. This is the pallu portion and this is the full sari, the upper yoke. So colorful, very pretty. This is the bottom part and this is the blouse piece, chelly border. This is also a pure Bangalore silk sari, number 6, 7650. Now number 7. Now number 7, batik katha. This is another batik katha and the color combination is white with crack and dark chocolate brown. And the price at 7650. Very beautiful color combination in various bird motifs. Brown color is dark chocolate brown. This is the pallu part, this is the upper portion of the sari. Number 7, batik katha. This is the pallu portion, half and half concept. This is the pallu portion and this is the body part from upper yoke, just like that, and the patli portion. This is the sari, white with crack batik, and lower yoke is highlighted by the katha stitch. batik katha. Number 7, 7650, you will get silk mark also. And now number 8, very bright yellow, sunshine yellow katha stitch sari, and very intricate katha stitch we have done here in geometrical pattern and floral motif, lotus motif, very pretty. Number 8, beautiful katha stitch sari, pride of our Bengal. Number 8, this is the pallu part, and this is the body portion. This is the body portion, and the half portion is, this is the half portion till the end. This is the half portion, and the blouse piece is full yellow with katha stitch border. 7650, number 8. Now number 9, batik katha, another batik katha. Now sari number 9, pure Bangalore silk katha stitch sari. This is the pure silk fabric, and this is the pallu portion in floral with geometrical pattern, and the color is dark brown, dark chocolate brown, you can say. This is the body part. This is the body part with floral booty. This is the body part, half and half concept. In the half part, lower yoke is highlighted by the katha stitch with orange color crack batik. This is the upper portion, orange color crack batik, light orangey shade. And the achal is, this is the achal part, and this is the blouse piece in dark chocolate color with katha stitch border. 7650, 7650, number 9. Now Gujarati stitch sari. This is the very rare Gachi Tasar, and the stitch is Gujarati embroidery, hand embroidery with mirror work, and the color combination is the virgin tone with red and maroon thread we have used here. So elegant and so pretty. This is pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Here is sari number 10. This is the pallu portion, and full Gujarati stitch we have done here in red and maroon thread we have used. Very pretty and sophisticated. And this is the body part. Upper yoke and lower yoke is highlighted by the Gujarati stitch. This is the thin upper line, and the lower bottom is highlighted by the heavy Gujarati stitch, and this is fully hand embroidery. This is fully hand embroidery with mirror work, pure Gujarati stitch sari in Gachi Tasar. This is the full inner portion, and the blouse piece is, this is the blouse piece. You can use it in your blouse. Number 10, 8300, 8300, number 10. And now number 11, another beautiful Gujarati stitch sari, and the color is blue, royal blue, very bright color, and the fabric is pure Bangalore silk sari. You will get silk mark also, and here we use only one thread, only white thread we used here to decorate the sari, and this is the mirror we highlighted in the all over the sari. Number 11, this is the pallu, blue with milk white thread. This is the body part. This is the body part, so beautiful and nice. This is the full inner portion. This is the full inner portion in Gujarati stitch. This is purely hand stitch, and the blouse piece. And this is the blouse piece in Gujarati stitch, blue color. The color is blue, price is 6500. Same design, color is garnet and white thread. Garnet with white thread. It's also a very pretty sari. This is another Gujarati stitch sari. Pallu is very rich. Upper yoke, lower yoke and body is also highlighted by the Gujarati stitch with mirror work. 12. This is the pallu. 6500. And this is the body part. 6500. You will get silk mark also. This is pure silk fabric, pure Bangalore silk. 6500. We are showing the pure Gachi Tasar Gujarati stitch sari. The fabric is pure Gachi Tasar and the stitch is pure Gujarati stitch with mirror work. Pallu is highlighted by heavy work and upper yoke, lower yoke is highlighted by the Gujarati stitch, and in the middle of the butta we use mirror to highlight the sari. It's very beautiful and the color is pure Tasar fabric color, natural color. Sari number 13, and this is the pallu. Very rich look and very sophisticated, pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. It's very summer friendly and very comfortable, and the lower part is, this is the lower part. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Number 13, 8500. Number 13, 8500. Now number 14. Another tasar. Another tasar in yellow and dark pink combination. This is pure Katha stitch sari. This is pure Katha stitch sari. The color combination is very pretty, yellow and hot pink, but dark pink. You can say dark pink also. It's very beautiful. Number 14. Here is the full sari from the pallu portion. This is the inner portion. This is the inner portion. Corner to corner. Blouse piece. Number 14, 8350. Number 14, 8350. Now 15. It is pure Jodi stripe tasar. Fabric is pure Jodi stripe tasar and the color combination is very beautiful. This is the green color combination, two types of green color combination, and number 15, very stylish color, green color. This is the full sari, Jodi stripe pure Tasar silk with discharge. Price 5050. Here is the full sari and this is the blouse piece in sea green color. This is the blouse piece, plain blouse piece. 5050. Number 16. It's very pretty. The pallu portion is highlighted by the yellow and rani color bar, and this is the body part in bluish color. The color is blue and sea green mixed up. And colored discharge we have done here in jewelry stripe tasar. Upper yoke, lower yoke is highlighted by the rani color. Now number 16, saree number 16. This is the pallu portion, yellow and rani, and this is the body part. This is the body part. And the inner portion. This is the inner portion, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. 5050 number 16. Last shade number 17. It's very bright combination, blue and green combination. Always hit combination, and my favorite, and I know your favorite also. You loved it. The color is blue and green. And another jari stripe tasar. Last saree. This is very colorful and bright. This is the pallu portion, blue and green combination, and this is the body part. Full body part is blue and with green zari border in upper yoke, lower yoke. Full jari stripes tasar, silk tasar, and floral motifs we have done here in color discharge methods. This is very colorful and beautiful, and always your on demand sarees. Price is 5050, and the blouse piece is in bold green with blue combination. 5050 number 17. You can WhatsApp us for booking 80133923079 9433629629 in this number. You just take a screenshot of the saree and drop a message in 80133923079 9433629629, and you have any enquiry, you can call us in this number. Goodbye. Namaskar.